Hey, this is Nick Jensen from Epoxy ETC. I want to give you a couple points on how to clean an epoxy floor and how to keep it clean over time. So, keeping the surface free of grit. All right, this is one of the main points. You don't want to scratch the surface. I know this is mainly important when it comes to areas with heavy foot traffic, machinery moving in and out of the place, pallet jacks, because if you scratch the floor, it generally builds up more dust and grit over time. And if you want to have a longer lasting floor, try to avoid that. Now, when it comes to chemical spills, what you want to do is try to clean it as quick as you can, because epoxy floors are resistant to spills, but not forever. You can wipe an epoxy floor with any regular shop, a regular paper towel you get from the store. You wipe it away and then basically neutralize it with water. All right, and this is going to eliminate any possibility of staining and deterioration of the finish of the floor. Now, when it comes to cleaning the floor, you have the diluted ammonia. All right, this is the best product to use. You use about 2 to 3 ounces of the ammonia, and you mix it with 1 gallon of water. All right, you can put this down on the floor, wipe it in with a microfiber pad or cloth, and you want to do this about 1 to 2 months for the best result. Now, this is just a couple of points we have regarding the cleaning the floor and keeping it clean over time. Have a great one out there. Enjoy your day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Have a great day out there.